G'day, here's a parcel of Nobby material from Lightning Ridge, and maybe a couple of pieces of seam opal in there as well. I'll zoom in it a little bit just to get a bit closer. Okay, rules in millimetres. Nice electric greens on the top there, vibrant purples. This piece is only thin, unfortunately, but it's got a nice dark blue on black backing over on this corner. I don't think it goes through. Vibrant greens and blues. Got a flash, nice colour through here. If you move it in the right spot. It's a big piece. I'd say it's more semi-crystal. It's got deep couple of clay spots in it here, so probably end up with a couple of stones out of that piece. If the sand doesn't go in, that will probably be an easy piece to cut. Showing through here, showing out there, just a bit off the back there maybe. Nice colour. This is the lightest piece in the deal. Might have a bit of clay in it as well. Maybe keep it as a specimen. This last little bit's just a little eye of colour there in the centre. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers!